Welcome to Invisible Mentor, where guidance may be silent, but the impact speaks volumes. This channel is your trusted companion for making smarter decisions, building future ready skills, and receiving behind the scenes tech mentorship that truly delivers. We mentor, train, and consult from the background so you can shine at the forefront. Let's begin the journey. Today, we are diving into a critical and timely question. Will AI, artificial intelligence, take your jobs? Let's address it openly. It's a concern shared by many, and rightly so, with the tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and automation reshaping the way we work. The uncertainty feels real. But before jumping to the conclusion, let's take a moment to learn from the past. In the 1980s, the internet started making its way into our lives. People were worried at that time. They said it will kill the jobs. Only tech savvy people will survive, and the traditional business won't stand a chance. Sounds familiar, right? But what happened? The internet didn't destroy the job, it transformed them. We show entirely the new roles appear in the IT industry: web developers, digital marketers, remote IT supports, e commerce expert, and the mobile app creators. The whole new economy was born, and today we can't imagine work without the internet. Today, AI is the new internet. Now, AI is the next wave. Yes, it will automate repetitive and routine tasks, but it also going to create careers faster, smarter, and more data driven than even before. If the internet created jobs we would never heard of, AI is about to do the same, and it's already happening. Doctors are using AI to detect disease early. Farmers are predicting crop failures using AI powered tools. Customer service is also faster and more accurate. Leaders are using AI insight to make quicker, more confident in business decisions. Tools like Microsoft Copilot are changing how people work, not replacing them, but empowering them. Here is the real truth: AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI might. So that's the difference between resisting change and growing with it. So, what should you do? Simple. Embrace AI, learn the tools, build the mindset, and become future ready, not by competing with AI, but the collaborating with the AI. Thank you so much to watching this video. We'll be back with the new topic very soon.